everyone, Sai Tech and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's I'll try to show you how many applications are pre-installed in this Realme X7 Max device. As you can see friends, right now I'm using the Realme X7 Max, and let's see how much storage the pre-installed applications are actually taking and consuming the internal storage in this Realme X7 Max. And let me try to quickly open the settings and show you quickly the storage, how much it is right now. So it is a storage option. As you can see friends, out of 128 GB, 16.9 GB is utilized, and out of those the apps consumed, like pre-installed applications, which are consuming 2.98 GB. So let's explore what are the applications or comes with the pre-install in this phone. So first we do get the Amazon application, and next is I think the Flipkart application, Facebook app. You are getting Google Pay as well, and A-Tap Cloud, I think, which are from the Realme. And here is a Netflix application. I think they are not much bloatware and games, but we do see the Snapchat and Soloop as well, as you can see here. These are the few things, and let's see what are the applications you can actually uninstall them. That is what I'm trying to see. So yes, you can uninstall the Soloop as well. Even you can uninstall I think Snapchat as well, as you can clearly see here. And even though the applications are pre-installed, but still you can actually uninstall them in case if you don't want them in your mobile phone. Let me try to show you quickly the storage details. As you can see, let me try to go to the apps, and here you can find which applications are consuming how much amount of data. As you can see, how much amount of storage they are consuming. So in this way you'll be just click on that and you can just directly uninstall, as you can see here. So even I won't be able to use the Snapchat, so I don't want that application in my phone consuming that much of storage. As you can see, in this way you will be able to uninstall plenty of applications, and even the I think default applications also you will be able to uninstall game space and a lot of things. So Realme Store, all this, not the Google Chrome, I think so. I think Google Pay, you cannot uninstall Google Play. No. These are the few things friends which comes with the pre-install and preloaded in this phone. So not many applications are coming in this phone at this point. So overall this is a quick review on this, how many applications comes in the pre-install in this phone. So let's try to count how many applications comes with the pre-install in this phone. I think the 5. So let me try to count the rows. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So I think 52 plus Snapchat, which I did uninstall before. So 53 applications totally you are getting in this phone, which includes the default applications and all the applications which comes with the phone as well. So thank you for watching this video friends, and make sure to hit the subscribe and stay tuned for more updates on this Realme X7 Max and comparison videos with the other smartphones as well. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you are interested. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.